Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Young TV. For today's vlog, gusto ko po sa inyong i-share ang aking first project, first reading program doon sa Malubay Elementary School. And thank you so much kay Ma'am Bona nag-reach out sa akin para humingi ng tulong sa mga kabataan na mangyans na kanyang estudyante na walang pagkain, walang mga kagamitan sa school.
Okay, pwede na kayong kumain?
Mga kababayan, bago tayo magsimula, gusto ko lang ipaalam sa inyo, ang pagkasagawa ng feeding program ay hindi lamang simpleng gawain, may kinalaman sa pagbibigay ng pagkain sa mga gutom. Ito ay isang pagpapakita ng pagkakaisa at pagmamalasakit sa ating kapwa Pilipino. In our country, many of our compatriots suffer from lack of food. Every time I see hungry children and families without enough food to eat, I can't help but do not to take any action. Kaya't, sa pagkasagawa ng feeding program, hindi lamang natin pinapakain ang tiyan ng nangangailangan, kundi binibigyan din natin sila ng pag-asa at inspirasyon sa bawat kagat ng tinapay ng kanilang labi, naramdaman nila ang pag-aalaga at pagmamahal ng kanilang kapwa. I cannot do this on my own. Through the help from our volunteers and teachers, especially Ma'am Bona, thank you so much. We succeeded in implementing this feeding program. Let's continue working together and bringing hope in each other's life. In conclusions, I request your continued support and involvement in activities aimed at solving the problem of hunger in our society. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Young TV, and please do support. Thank you very much and long live us all. Thank you. Please watch the video.
In a world where many struggle with hunger, our efforts today represent more than just meals. They symbolize hope, compassion, and the power of community. We are here not just to fill stomachs, but to fill hearts with hopes and minds, with the belief that change is possible. Hunger is a stark reminder of the inequalities that exist, but it also presents an opportunity for us to come together and make a meaningful impact. By providing nourishment, we are not only addressing a basic human need, but also sending a message that every person matters. Every child, every adult, every elder deserves to know that they are valued and cared for. When we share a meal, we share more than just food. We share love, kindness, and solidarity. We create bonds that strengthen our community and inspire others to join in our mission. Each meal we serve today is a testament to what we can achieve when we unite for a common cause. It is a reminder that even the smallest acts of kindness can have a profound effect. By standing together, we can turn the tide against hunger and pave the way for a more than just and equal world. Think about the ripple effect of our actions today. The food we provide will nourish bodies, but the compassion we show will nourish souls. It will inspire those we help to believe in a better future and to have the strength to pursue it. It will also inspire others who witness our actions to join in and contribute to the cause, creating a cycle of giving and support that can lead to lasting change. I am deeply grateful for your participation and support. Your commitment and generosity are the driving force behind this initiative. Without your dedication, none of this would be possible. You have chosen to spend your time, energy, and resources to make a difference in the lives of others, and that choice is powerful. It is a testament to the goodness that exists in our community and the potential we have to create positive change. As we share these meals, let us also share our hope and determination to create a future where no one has to go to bed hungry. Let us use this moment to reflect on what more we can do, individually and collectively, to combat hunger and promote well-being in our community. Whether it's through advocating for policies that support food security, volunteering regularly, or simply spreading awareness about the issue, every action counts. We must remember that hunger is not just a local issue, it is a global one. There are millions of people around the world who face food insecurity every day. While we may not be able to solve this overnight, every step we take brings us closer to a solution. By working together, sharing our resources, and supporting each other, we can make a significant impact. In closing, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for being here, for caring, and for making a difference. Your presence today is a beacon of hope for those in need. It shows that in the face of adversity, we can come together to support one another and create a brighter, healthier, and more compassionate world. Together, let us continue to strive for a future where no one goes hungry, where every person has the opportunity to thrive, and where our collective efforts lead to lasting change. Thank you, and let us move forward with hope, determination, and unwavering commitment to making a difference.
In the silence you hear my cry. In the darkness you're my guiding light. Oh, through the chaos you bring me peace. Your love surrounds me, it will never cease. Yeah, your grace abounds like an endless way. you're my guiding light. Oh, through the chaos you bring me peace. Your love surrounds me, it will never cease, yeah. Your peace allows life.